guys, so just recording a short summary of the Improvers Solo Salsa routine number 4. Okay, so this again was taught previously in a class. I'm not going to break it down in huge detail, so hopefully you'll be okay. Now, the first thing we did was skating. So left foot, I put the weight on it, 1, push the right foot round on 2, bring it in, put the weight on 3, push the left foot round 4, bring it in, and I'm going to jump together on 5, open on 6, cross over, right over left on 7. Okay, so let's do that 1 bar again. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. I then unwind to my left, keeping those feet where they are, pivot, 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 left leg stays in front, and now I'm going to walk back 2 pony steps, and on the third one, a little bit of ball pressure into the floor. So I'm going back, back, back on the left, but with just the ball of the foot. Okay, so I'm going from here, crossed, wind, back, back, ball, don't put the full weight on it. Okay, so let's do those 2 bars together. So I'm going 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And a little look on the diagonal. Yeah, I'm going to look to my left corner. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now from here, corner. We're putting a little bit of body movement in, a little bit of pressure. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's like a lunge. 1, 2, lunge. Rib cage, you're going to move 5, 6, 7. Okay, over the lunging leg. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm then going to bring this leg in, out, in, slide, collect. Okay, so I'm going to give you the basic version first with the timing, and then I'm going to give you the man styling and the lady styling. So we had 1, 2, 3, ribs 6, 7, or 5, 6, 7, come in 1, out 2, in 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, styling wise, okay, the style, masculine hands, a little bit more here. Ladies were obviously a bit more pretty, but for the men, let's do the men first. So for the men, I'm going to be a man. So I'm going boom, 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 ribs, 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 in, out, in, slide, collect. Yes, so the arms are a little bit here, a little bit more with the chest and the pecs. So I'm going boom, 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 in. Yes, bit more drama on the in. Now, ladies, a bit lady, a bit pretty, okay? So I'm going 1, 2, 3. Hands can be a little bit more out from back of the hands and floating. So 1, 2, 3, ribs, ribs, ribs. And now this time when I pull in, push my booty out, 1, push my hip out, 2, bring my booty, 3, yes? Dee-dee-dee, yes? Okay, I'm going to tuck my t-shirt in behind. I didn't wear anything skimpy, obviously. Okay, let's just tuck that in from behind so you can see. Now, man's version. Boom, 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 boom. Ladies' version. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Ladies can make more of a polite dragging that in. Okay, so that was the difference in the styling. And then from here, the in and out of the of the LA shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put more lunge in than I would do on the LA shuffle. LA shuffle is normally 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a bit more pressure into here because I'm going to use it. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to use that as my prep twist to go into my right leg to get my double spin, and then I'm going to push my left leg out when I'm done. Some of us were only doing a single spin, that's absolutely fine. So we were doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist round, get your balance into your right leg, collect the left, and then stick it out. And then hold for the last little bit of the bar in case everybody else is doing the double. So that last bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. There I was finishing. I shall dance the whole thing for you in one go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. There we go. Improvers Solo routine number 4. See you soon.